You've been uploading videos after videos, but you're not getting any subscribers, which is needed to monetize your channel. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to tell you the secret on how I got my first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. When you look at this channel's analytics, you realize that this channel has been able to generate over 6,000 subscribers in the past 28 days. It is not a trick and it is not magic. It is just a practical strategy that I use to get my first 1,000 subscribers. So if I can do it, you can also do it. All you have to do is watch this video from beginning to the end so that you understand every process that you have to take to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Don't skip this video because the last step is going to blow your minds off. The first strategy that I used is by utilizing the YouTube collaboration features. You can collaborate with creators around your niche. So for now, you have to target small creators. All you have to look for is for a creator that has an engaging community, which is going to help you to gain more subscribers. You can go ahead and ask them for a shout out. You can ask them for a reaction video. You can ask them to mention you in their community post, or better still, you can ask them for a video collaboration. Now you are going to ask that, okay, when they charge me for this collaboration or something? Well, the price of the collaboration is going to depend on two things. Number one is the amount of subscribers that collaborator is having. And number two is by how you approach them. This is what is going to determine the price for the collaboration. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the email address of any creator on YouTube and how you'll be able to approach them for collaboration. You see this channel here. This channel has only 3 videos and 2 short videos. And with these 3 videos and 2 short videos, that makes the channel only 5 videos. But with the help of collaborating with a channel that is already doing well, this channel is already generating 185 subscribers so far. So imagine if I can apply this same process, this same strategy over and over again consistently within a short period of time, this channel is going to hit 1,000 subscribers fast. Now, for you to get the email address of any creator that you want to collaborate with, first of all, you need to find the creator that you are passionate about and you see that their niche aligns with yours. So for example, if you already got a creator that you want to collaborate with, you go straight to their channel. And when you go straight to their channel, you are going to click on more right here. When you click on more and then you scroll down, first of all, you can either find their email address from their YouTube description, or you can scroll down here where it says view email. You click on that and you'll be able to see their email address. So I will just go ahead and then complete this verification. So for some creators, they have not enabled this. Once you click on view email, you will see their email address immediately. But if you see this, you can just go ahead and do the verification, and that's it. This is the email address, and all I have to do is copy this email address, write a compelling message to them. How you approach the creators will determine if they are going to respond or not. You just have to make sure that your message is appealing and then let them know exactly what you want. If it is a reaction video, a collaboration video, a shout out, or just a community post. And once you collaborate with them, you'll be able to see that video here from your YouTube homepage. You scroll down on your YouTube homepage, you scroll down, and then you are going to find all the collaboration videos right here. So how do you send them invitation for this collaboration? you go straight to your YouTube studio, find that particular content that you want to collaborate with, and then you scroll down. Why I keep insisting on this YouTube collaboration is because it is something that I have tried, and it is very, very effective because it puts you in front of their channel, in front of their audience. So if their audience are interested in your content, they are likely going to subscribe to your channel immediately. So let's continue. When you scroll down and then you go straight to that particular content that you want to use for the collaboration, you will scroll down, and then you're going to find the collaboration button right here. Then you click on invite a collaborator. When you click on invite a collaborator, it is going to tell you to search for the channel that you want to collaborate with. So I might just go ahead and then type in this, look for this channel that I want, tech informats. I'll click on it, and it is going to display the channel that I want to collaborate with. Now you can either enable this so that the channel will be able to see the analytics, but they won't have access to the revenue information, or you can decide to deactivate that. You create a link, and then you copy this link and send to them in their email, and you can also add it to the email that you are going to send to them. And once they accept the collaboration, it is going to display right here on your channel. And this is a very, effective strategy that you can use to get more subscribers. The second strategy that I used is by utilizing the YouTube subscribe link. So instead of you to be using your actual YouTube URL to promote your channel, you should rather use the YouTube subscribe link to promote your channel. So whenever you use the YouTube subscribe link to promote your channel and somebody clicks on that link, YouTube is going to show them the subscribe confirmation pop-up. And now they have to subscribe to your channel before any other activities. And this is going to increase the conversion very, very fast. You can also share this link in the YouTube description. You can share it in the comment section, and you can also share it in your Instagram bio, your Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. If you use this feature correctly, you are likely going to get a lot of subscribers from this feature. It is a small trick, but it is very, very powerful. If you want to create a YouTube subscribe link, it is very, very easy, and I'm going to show you right now. You go straight to your YouTube page like this, and then you copy your YouTube direct link. You can either copy it from the top here, or you can go to customize channel. If you go to customize channel, you can be able to get the original YouTube URL link so that you wouldn't have to make any mistake at all. Then you go to customization, then you scroll down here. And right here, you're going to find your YouTube URL. You copy it from there. Now, open another browser. From the top here, you can just paste the URL there. Then the next thing I'm going to do, just follow my steps. You go straight and copy this link right here. You can see question mark sub confirmation. You just copy it the way it is. So you can just copy the way I've written it in the notes, and you come back here and you paste it alongside with your YouTube URL. So this is how it is. You click on it, and once you send it, you are going to see that YouTube is going to send a confirmation pop-up that allows you to subscribe to the channel even without interacting with the channel. So you can see, are you sure you want to subscribe to Rambo Technology? Yes, once I click subscribe, automatically it is going to subscribe to the channel. So anytime you share this link or you promote your channel using this link, it helps you to get more subscribers. So even if the audience or the viewer does not watch your video, does not interact with the channel, but using this link, the person will automatically subscribe to your channel. Now, the third strategy that I use to get more subscribers on my channel is by posting more YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts are one of the fastest and easiest way to get discovered on YouTube in 2026. Even though YouTube shorts does not generate watch hours, but it is very, very effective when it comes to generating new subscribers. One YouTube short can bring in more subscribers, can bring in more views, and can bring in new audience. And what you have to focus on is the hook and the value of the content. Now, let me take you to my dashboard and show you one single YouTube short, and you will see the analytics and the impact. This is my YouTube dashboard. And this is a YouTube short that I posted some time ago, and as you can see, this YouTube short was able to generate 355,000 views since it was published. And as you can see on the screen, the YouTube short was able to generate 1.6 thousand subscribers. So even one single YouTube short has been able to generate 1.6 thousand subscribers. So what if you had a multiple YouTube shorts in your channel that is generating you subscribers, which means you can get 1,000 subscribers within a very short period of time. Another underrated strategy that I've been using so far is by going live on your channel at least once in a week. Answer questions, reply to your comments, interact and engage with your community. Remember, growing on YouTube is no shortcut. It is all about being original, being natural, and being consistent with every strategy. All this strategy that I have shown you right now is what I have tested, and it is working 100%. So if you apply it, you are going to succeed by 99%. Okay, so guys, that is all for this video. Please, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment, and I'll be dropping more gems for you guys. Stay blessed.